Welcome to ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks, a story about resilience and cutting-edge manufacturing technology. Here, challenges and uncertainty are welcomed with open arms. We have created success from the unknown and the unproven, cementing ourselves as cutting-edge developers of industry-leading technology. Every day, we challenge ourselves to find a better way to innovate vehicle structures that lead the industry into a sustainable future. We do so through constant collaboration with ArcelorMittal's global research and development facilities to develop groundbreaking technologies that improve manufacturing quality and simplify assembly for automotive companies. We do this to reduce vehicle cost and weight while improving crash performance. Since our first plant was established in Concord, Ontario in 1997, we have expanded our market across North America. Growth has allowed us to continuously learn and develop our strategy to adapt automotive needs. We have introduced ArcelorMittal Multi-Part Integration, which is the best-in-class vehicle body structure solution. Here is where design meets sustainability. Using our laser welding expertise, we co-engineer parts for vehicles of the future that are environmentally and economically conscious. Most importantly, our parts save lives. ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks is the leader in developing superior steel technologies in the automotive industry with a determination to achieve carbon neutrality. Our journey continues as we strive to improve, grow, learn, and lead the change toward a safer and greener tomorrow for people and the planet. ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks, driving a safer and greener tomorrow.